Hey, good morning, and welcome to our Theological Foundations class. You'll be seeing me in videos every week, and I hope that we enjoy interacting with each other in the discussions throughout the week. I remind you to introduce yourself, but I want to speak for a minute about the discussions, and I just want to be really clear about this so that you don't misunderstand. Um, You'll see the directions for the instructions in the syllabus as well as in the discussion forum itself. But sometimes it just happens. We miss things as human beings. And so I want to be clear. So by every Thursday night, you need to answer the questions that are listed for you. So that's your initial posts, your initial responses. Um, so that's Thursday night by midnight. And then over the next few days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you can even be doing it on Thursday, you need to be responding to the posts of your classmates. What I'm looking for is 4 substantive posts. So not just, oh, good job, Fred, that was a nice job, or nice work, Julie. No, I want to see you interacting with their ideas. Think about this as what would be a traditional discussion in class. So, well, we can't do that in an online class um, the traditional way. This is the way we're going to do it. So you're not just going to be responding to your classmates on one day. So you can't wait until Sunday night at 11:55 and hammer out 4 quick responses. I'm looking for you to respond on at least at least 2 different days. And I'm looking for those to be trying to promote discussion with your classmates. So you read their answer and maybe you res- respectfully raise some questions, or maybe you take some of the ideas that they've raised and you go further with them. Um, but but note that you need to do 4 of these. The other thing is, I don't want you to do um, like let's say you have a class name mate named Julie in the class. I don't want you to do um, Julie's got her 2 answers and you do one response to her first one response to her first answer and then a second response to her second answer. Spread your responses out to different people in the classroom so that you have 4 unique individual responses. Okay? I hope that's as clear, uh, much more clear than mud. I hope that's really clear for you. If you have questions, you can always email me or text me or call me. I hope we have a great semester together. Lots of work, for sure, lots of reading, absolutely. Lots of interesting things for us to talk about and lots of interesting projects for you to do. I'm looking forward to our time together.